Manufacturers are West Virginia's investors, innovators, and job creators. With nearly 48,000 direct employees impacting the careers of 250,000 West Virginians, making the products you use every day, from automotive and wood manufacturing to chemical components and medicine. I'm Rebecca McPhail, and this is Made with West Virginia Pride. Today, the West Virginia Manufacturers Association travels to Prichard, West Virginia for a visit with Troy Thomas and the Sogefi Group. Sogefi is a leading global supplier of original parts for the automotive industry, designing, developing, and producing filtration systems, air management, and engine cooling systems. Let's take a look. I'm here today with Troy Thomas, the plant manager here at Sogefi in Prichard, West Virginia, to learn a little bit more about Sogefi, which is part of West Virginia's growing automotive industry. Troy, can you share a little bit about Sogefi here in West Virginia and what you make with West Virginia Pride here in Prichard?
Sure, I'm glad to. Welcome to Sogefi USA here in Prichard, West Virginia. Sogefi is an Italian company managing 42 plants in 23 countries around the world, and we're the only plant in the United States, and we're actually one of the largest. So it's a great source of pride for us.
Great, Troy. So why don't we talk a little bit about some of the products you make? I think you have some things to show us today.
I do. I like show and tell. So we supply a broad range of automotive customers, including General Motors, Ford, Fiat, Chrysler, Subaru, Toyota. We even make a small filter for Mercury Marine boat engines, which is fun. And soon we'll have Volkswagen as a new client. And what we do is fluid filtration products. This is the smallest filter we make for that boat engine I mentioned. This is a gasoline filter that goes into the fuel tank. This is a large diesel fuel filter for a Ford F-250 truck. We integrate those into more functional modules that go onto the engine, like the one that's right here behind me. And we also make engine air intake manifolds, like this one and this one here. This is for GM and this is for Subaru. So that involves plastic injection molding and welding these parts together and assembly of this complex product that we ship to actually 3 different engine plants in North America.
Workforce makes us who we are as manufacturers. Tell us a little bit about your workforce here in Prichard.
Our workforce is why this is a great place to do business, actually. We employ 360 people. We make very technically complex products. Our people do challenging jobs, and they're a big reason why we've succeeded here. And I'm proud to say that I've managed 2 other factories in another state. I wouldn't trade our workforce with them for anything.
Yes, so Troy, we know Sogefi is a multinational company. Why West Virginia? What brought the company here to Prichard?
Well, automotive is a global industry. In fact, you can't just supply a product in North America, South America, China, Europe. You have to be able to supply a product globally. Sogefi didn't have a plant in the United States, and they were looking to find one. And actually, this is a success story of the development office. There was an outreach from the Economic Development Organization in Europe, and Sogefi learned about West Virginia that way.
Excellent.
Hi, Rebecca. So this is one of our filter production lines. We make about 12 million filters per year here in this plant. That's done by the ladies behind me. Most of our workforce that produce these filters are women because they do it best. So April and Samantha are 2 of our team leaders, and Vicki and Ingrid are 2 of our operators inspecting the quality here of this part. So we're here at another injection molding press, and this is Annie Collier. She's actually one of our injection molding technicians. She started here as a production operator, but she learns fast. She's got a good technical aptitude, so she's been promoted to a very technical role. You can see her installing one of our injection molding tools. And then right behind you is a new technology that we're combining the ability to produce a filter with the ability to injection mold. Both technologies happening at the same time.
So Troy, what's happening here?
This is a diesel filtration product for a big Ford F-250 truck. We make about 200,000 of these per year. And in addition to making filters and injection molding, the other thing we know how to do really well is weld plastic together. And we do that in 5 different ways. Right behind me, that's happening with lasers, which is our newest technology. So Rebecca, this is an engine air intake manifold for a Subaru vehicle. It's being molded behind me there, welded together, and assembled on this station right here where you can see. I want to introduce you to Eric. Eric is actually the supervisor of this line. He came here from Michigan, but now he's a West Virginian.
Very good.
By the way, I'm an original West Virginian, but I lived away in another state, and I came home for this job. So, like a lot of West Virginians, I have roots here that are hard to break.
From the highways and the back roads, over the mountains and in the valleys, there is something made with West Virginia pride around every corner. Things you use at home and at work every single day. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you'll get to know your local manufacturers. For more information, please visit www.wvma.com. We'll see you next time.